everyone.
Backpackers. So we are here in Bacolod this time. I am Joyce.
And I am John.
Yes, and we are now here in Iron Elk
Elk.
Adventure Park. And we are with...
Yeah, I'm Stephen Magallanes, Park Manager for Iron Elk Adventure Park.
Sir Stephen Magallanes.
Yes. Di ba sikat na sikat yung Magallanes din sa atin?
Yayamanin.
Yayamanin.
Sa inyo lang.
Okay, so Sir Stephen, kung bang makita dito sa Iron Elk Adventure Park?
Yes. Actually, it's our first year anniversary. We started out last year around March and then formally opened the park at April 5. So today we celebrated our first year anniversary. So we hold an event. So nagkaroon kami ng 2 days na activity. Because since Adventure Park Iron Elk is more on it's a bike shop. So it's an adventure park. We sell bikes and we do rents also for the bike enthusiasts. So aside from bikes, we also have ATVs, buggies for adventure. So today we celebrated the first year anniversary. So we had an event na catering runners, trail run, since we here in the adventure area. So we did a trail run for 5-10 kilometers and then duathlon. It's been 2 years na a pandemic because we're on level 1 already. So we celebrated and then this is the first time to hold an event like trail run and then duathlon. And then we have a final event which will be a mountain bike cross country challenge. So we're expecting more participants to join our race with the various categories. Like we have women's, men's, 19 under, below, junior, seniors, yeah, that kind.
So
Actually, it's so overwhelming. We're very happy na for the first time here in Bacolod, we gathered around 700 plus more participants for this kind of event. So hindi namin na expect na ganun pala karami yung trail runners and then bikers na nag-participate sa aming event.
yan, so let's have a tour around. Thank you. This one is
Actually for giving it back sa aming mga loyal customers. So since it's our first year anniversary, so from their 500 pesos na registration fee, they get a chance to win this grand raffle, an 150cc ATV. So this is our grand prize for tomorrow's event. So aside from ATV, we're giving 3 bikes plus 3 bikes more. Yes.
Wow.
For the raffle for tomorrow.
500 lang nag-register ka, then meron ka ng ganito, di ba? Amazing.
We're selling it 110,000.
Oh, 110. Parang ano na rin, no? Parang nag-NMAX ka na rin. So, dito po tayo. May mga nakita po akong mga bikes here.
Yes.
And may mga, gagaling o meron
Farm
mga back
ATV.
ride, oh.
Yes. And these bikes, we're renting it for 50 pesos an hour. Or you can rent it for 200 for 1 day.
Wow.
So outside the park. But then if you want to use it dito sa loob, so it's 100 pesos. But then if you have your own bike, 50 pesos only. So 50 pesos, you can do whatever you want there for an hour sa trail track namin, bike track. So this one is for rent.
How about the...
Yeah, that's for rent.
PPP.
Yeah, this is for rent. 350 pesos an hour dito sa loob ng park. But then nag-o-offer rin kami for half day outside the park. So we have a trail master to guide you. So let's say 1 or 2, 3 units for half day, inclusive of food. So may mga rent din kami, let's say 3-5 for half
may
day.
mga package
May
kayo.
package. So barkada package. So you get to roam around Alangilan construction areas here in Bacolod, experience the trail, nature, and then may mga river na pwede kayo magligo or picnic.
How about the other ones?
Yes, but our buggy is also,
Buggy.
yes, the buggy is also for rent. So these are buggy. So electric scooter. So
Buggy.
Yeah.
Ano to? So, gasolina.
yeah, gasoline. So it's 600 pesos an hour naman ito kasi 2 passenger. So it's either you go there for an
Dahil
hour.
pag ganito ka, pag sa kalagitan, mag-overpost ka. Ito yung, parang may ganito din sa, ginagamit dito pa sa mga yung sandy area.
Pwede rin,
Mabuhangin.
pwede rin. Kasi it's all terrain naman.
Oh, ganun. So, yan.
Yeah.
So, meron nakikita po ko ditong store ng mga bicycle. So,
Yes, so this is our shop.
let's have a tour around. Tingnan po natin.
Bike shop.
Welcome to the bike shop. Welcome. Wow.
So this is our bike shop. This is the main purpose na may Iron Elk Adventure Park. So at first, last year, we just did na magbenta lang ng bike muna. And then it ended up helmets, golf apparel, ATVs. So lahat na from golf apparels to shoes to shade. So it's really an adventure shop. So for those thrill seekers na gusto ng adventure, so all in one dito sa Iron Elk.
So one-stop shop. Nandito
Yes.
na lahat. So
We have also experienced camping and bonfire. This trail park is also good for team building.
So it's really amazing to have this kind of trail park here in Bacolod. So guys, especially those who are there in Manila, Manila and also in Mindanao, if you are here in Bacolod and Visayas, visit this trail park dahil para enjoy kayo, and at the same time, it's good for our health. Thank you, Sir Stephen.
Yeah, well,
We are delighted to have new subscribers. Thank you very much for watching. See you again in our next videos.